new multifunctional transistor detector. Has 3 main functions and a toolbox. There are more functions in the toolbox. Short press the power button to return to the menu. In the system settings, you can set the basic settings of TC4 and view the firmware version. In the function, you can press the mode button briefly to quickly switch functions. Transistor detection can insert components. Press the auto key to automatically identify components. It's very convenient and simple. The identification result. It will display a series of parameters and component names. You can use it to test different components. The oscilloscope function. You need to connect the probe to the oscilloscope channel. The signal generator function. There are 13 waveform options. If you have anything else you want to know, please leave a message.